Creating a cooking and food channel with a focus on your passion for cooking and experimenting with different cuisines can be an exciting and rewarding project. Here's a structured plan to help you get started. Channel concept and goals. Name. Choose a catchy and relevant name that reflects your love for cooking in diverse cuisines, e.g., Cuisine Quest, Global Gourmet, Flavor Frontier. Mission. To inspire viewers to explore new recipes, improve their culinary skills, and appreciate diverse culinary traditions. Goals. Build a community of food enthusiasts, share unique and easy-to-follow recipes, and eventually monetize through ads, sponsorships, and possibly a cookbook. Content pillars. 1. Recipe tutorials. Easy weeknight dinners, quick, delicious, and healthy meals for busy weekdays. Gourmet at home, step-by-step guides to creating restaurant-quality dishes in your kitchen. Baking bonanza, from bread to pastries, showcase your baking skills with detailed tutorials. 2. Cooking challenges. Ingredient challenges, create dishes using a limited or unique set of ingredients. Time challenges, cook a complete meal within a set time frame. Viewer's choice, allow your audience to vote on what you should cook next. 3. Food reviews. Restaurant reviews, visit and review local and international eateries. Product reviews, test and review kitchen gadgets, ingredients, and food products. Taste tests, compare different brands of the same product or explore unusual foods. 4. Cultural food exploration. Around the world, explore and cook traditional dishes from different countries. Festive feasts, create and explain dishes associated with various cultural celebrations. Culinary history, share interesting facts and history behind certain foods and recipes. Content creation tips. Research and planning, plan your content calendar in advance to ensure a consistent upload schedule. Quality production, invest in good lighting, a quality camera, and a microphone to produce professional-looking videos. Engagement, interact with your audience through comments, polls, and social media. Ask for feedback and suggestions. Collaboration, partner with other food bloggers, chefs, or local restaurants to create collaborative content. Example content schedule. Weekly upload plan. Monday, recipe tutorial. Wednesday, cooking challenge. Friday, food review or cultural food exploration. Promotion and growth. Social media, use Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to share snippets of your videos, behind-the-scenes content, and engage with your audience. SEO and keywords, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to increase discoverability. Community engagement, join food-related forums, groups, and online communities to share your content and connect with like-minded individuals. Consistency, stick to your upload schedule to build a loyal audience. Monetization strategies. YouTube Partner Program, enable ads on your videos once you meet the eligibility criteria. Sponsorships, partner with food brands and kitchen gadget companies for sponsored content. Affiliate marketing, recommend products and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. Merchandise, create and sell branded merchandise like aprons, cooking utensils, or e-cookbooks. Long-term vision. Cookbook, compile your recipes into a professionally published cookbook. Workshops and classes, offer cooking workshops or online classes to your audience. Food tours, organize food tours or culinary travel experiences for your viewers. By focusing on these strategies and content ideas, you'll be able to build a vibrant and successful cooking and food channel that resonates with your passion and expertise.